Hey everyone, today we are doing an honest 2026 review of the Liven app. The app that promises to reward you for dining out. We will get over the pros, the cons, and everything you need to know before you just try it. Let's dive in. What is Liven? Liven is a dining rewards app. You can earn points called Liven coins every time you pay at participating restaurants. These coins can later be redeemed for discounts or gifts. It's available on both iOS and Android and aims to make your dining experience more rewarding. Pros. Here's what we like about Liven. Easy to use. The app is simple, scan and earn rewards. Good rewards. You can accumulate points fairly quickly, especially if you dine out often. Wide restaurant network. Many popular restaurants are on the platform. Special offers. They often have discounts and promotions exclusive to the app. Digital wallet convenience. You do not need cash, everything is handled digitally. But of course, as we all know, nothing is perfect. And here are some downsides. Number one, limited locations. Depending on your city, some restaurants may not participate. Points expire. Living coins can expire if not used in time. Payment required. You need to pay with the app to earn points. Cash payments do not count. App glitches. Some users report occasional app crashes or slow updates. Redemption limits. Certain rewards may be limited or have some restrictions. Tips before you try. If you are thinking of trying Livin, check if your favorite restaurants are on the app first. Do not let your points expire. Plan how to use them. Keep the app updated to avoid glitches. Use it for meals you already plan to pay for. Do not overspend just to earn rewards. So is Livin worth it? If you dine out frequently and your favorite spots are included, it's a solid way to earn rewards. But if restaurants in your area aren't on the app, it might not be that useful. That is it for our 2026 honest review. If you found this review helpful, please consider like, subscribe for more reviews, and comment down below with your experience about Livin. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.